This flower vase is a very high quality for this product, and it has different rows here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is flower vase for beautification of house. So you can put your bunch of flowers here. This is just an example. Rose flowers. So for this one, the price, Chinese currency is 180. American dollars 26. Australian dollars 45. Just for one piece. This is one piece price. Then for the specifications, we have 6 in one carton. So this is an example of the carton. It can contain 6 pieces of this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces for one carton. And the CBM for one carton is here, 0.06. That's the CBM for one carton. The weight of one carton is 20 kg. The weight of one carton, 20 kg. And the MOQ, the minimum order quantity for one purchase, one style, the minimum order quantity is 10 cartons. 10 cartons. Remember, the price for one piece is 180 Chinese currency. Okay, so this is for flower vase. It's a very high quality product. You can check the features. And we are the factory for these products. Thank you very much. So this is the price. You can check it out again. So with this one, you can do your calculations to know how many cartons you need. So just to be brief, if you need 10 cartons, then the price is going to be in Chinese currency 180 for one piece. One piece times 6 is one carton, so times 6. So this is one carton price in Chinese currency. So for 10 cartons, you multiply it by 10. This is for one. This is for 10 carton, the MOQ. Okay. And in Australian dollars, you can divide it by 4 for Australian dollars. So 2,700 for 10 cartons for Australian dollars. While for American dollars, you can divide it by 7. So this is the price for 10 carton USD, 1,543 American dollars. High quality. And lastly, we can customize your logo. So if you have a brand, we can customize your logo anywhere at this part. Yeah, just anywhere you need it. But this is how the carton looks like. So if you need this product, you can contact our sales director directly. Thank you very much.